Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So I love to travel a lot and I have a habit of collecting souvenirs from wherever I am visiting. These are the few pictures from my traveling. Today I am showing the places which I have visited in USA through these souvenirs. So yeah, let's start the video. This one is from South Dakota and it has a radium in it. It's illuminated very beautifully. The same magnet from South Dakota. In the dark, the radiums are shining here. Anyone donuts lover here? I love it. And this one is from, of course, New York City, the city that does not sleep. One of the wonders. Chicago, my city. And who doesn't recognize this? These all cities are full of greens, full of lakes. I love being around lakes and other water bodies. Do you guys like sea beaches? Place is surrounded by beautiful mountains. I have lot of memories related to mountains. Key West, my favorite place. Oh, this is so beautiful waterfall. This one is from SeaWorld. The famous cable car. The very first KFC city. This is the place where I have visited very first in USA. Oh, I love the cherry season. Who else? You should visit this place during fall season. It's so pretty, so colorful. If you have enjoyed the video, please share with your family and friends. And do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.